Okay, so first we're going to just turn it on and then just see if the stabilizer is turning itself on. As it should. Now we should come to live and the camera should be turned on. It is not. Okay. We'll take out the battery to clear it, like this, so it's turned off. Okay, well now it says pair your camera not connected. Pair camera and controller. Yes, I want to pair. Okay, let's follow. Make sure camera is powered off, which it is. And hold the power button for 8 seconds until the lights of the arm starts to blink. Okay, here's the button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Blinking blue. Still nothing happened with this one. And then it starts to blink. That means that it cannot connect. It flashes red. And to power it off, we need to pull out. And it's the same all over again.